Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message that says Windows cannot verify the publisher of this driver. First, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box on your screen. In the Run box, type gpedit.msc and then press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor window. Now, look at the left side panel. You need to navigate through a few folders. Click on User Configuration. Then open Administrative Templates. After that, click on System. Inside System, find and click on Driver Installation. On the right side, you will see a setting called Code Signing for Device Drivers. Double-click on it to open the settings window. A new window will appear. Select the option that says Enabled. Once you select Enabled, you will see another option below it. Change that option to Ignore. This setting tells Windows to allow drivers even if they are not verified by a publisher. Now click on Apply, and then click OK to save the changes. After that, close the Group Policy Editor window. Finally, restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. Once your system restarts, try installing the driver again. The warning message should no longer block the installation. Thanks for watching.